Hello. Today, I'm introducing KaizenLap, an AI-enabled platform built to help drivers identify performance insights and improve consistently, especially in race day decision-making. I've gone ahead and selected Barber Motorsports Park, race 1. I'll go ahead and select the driver and the lap. I'll do the same thing here for a different track and race. Here I've selected Sonoma Raceway. The drivers have loaded along with the different laps. Here, the first thing to take note of is the section analysis. There's different sections represented on the map. You can see the section analysis alongside it. So as you go through the different sections, you're given an analysis of what the performance was for that driver. If I go into weather impact, it basically shows what the impact of the weather conditions on the racing performance was for that entire race. Here, we can see that there's no real significant correlation. In comparison, we can see here that the weather conditions were much stronger and there were multiple factors being correlated with race performance on that day. I'll go into coaching insights. Here, there's key observations presented by the AI, which is essentially synthesizing all of this data together to give those key insights against all of those laps by each of those drivers. Important areas to focus on, along with the detailed analysis and the recommendations as well. So you can see that they are totally different depending on the race, the driver, the weather conditions, and so on, and very specific as well. So these coaching insights are essentially what the drivers can use to be able to improve their performance and also close this gap with what is a composite of total lap time, as in the best possible lap time for this track. I call this the best case composite of all the drivers. Essentially, a best case performance of the drivers for this race against all of the sections. Sort of like a digital twin, if you will. And we don't see insights for the best case composite because it's just a composite. It's not one specific driver, but rather the best possible total lap time for that particular track. Here, I can move around the UI, play with it, see all of the key insights. It's completely AI enabled with over 21,000 recommendations just against 2 races per track for this demo against all of these tracks. KaizenLap turns TRD telemetry into repeatable on-track performance. Thank you.